Okay, I'm driving to make a pickup, and I just wanted to say that the squeaky wheel gets the grease. I complained about the Lyft app with their GPS not giving turn by turn. And now if you tap right up here, top, look at that. There it is, turn by turn, just like that. And one thing I still am getting used to is see how as I get close, then it expands. That's weird. So that takes a little getting used to because it looks like you're close and then it expands like, giving you like another 200 to 300 yards. So that's an odd thing. But look at that. Turn by turn. I love it. So they changed it. Good job, Lyft. Woohoo! Loving it. Loving it. So I'm sitting at a stop sign here. Stoplight. Here we go. There's our green. Okay. Just give you more of a little feel of it. So here we are approaching another red light. And as I get close to it, then it expands. You see that? How it expands like that? So that's a weird little thing that it does there. So that's different than Waze, but you just kind of get used to it. So you just know that that's going to happen. Anyway, there it is, turn by turn. Thank you, Lyft. That makes my life so much better when I'm using your GPS.